Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a huge mascot. First, let's plan your project. Begin by clearly defining your mascot's purpose and who it will engage. Sketch initial design concepts, thinking about its character and how it represents your brand. It's crucial to establish a realistic budget for materials and potential professional services. Finally, determine the desired size and mobility requirements for the costume to ensure it meets your needs. Next, we move to design and material selection. Finalize detailed design blueprints, capturing every angle and feature of your mascot. Choose lightweight, durable, and breathable materials to ensure the wearer's comfort during extended use. Common choices include foam for structure, faux fur for texture, and various fabrics for details. Always ensure your selected materials meet safety standards and are easy to clean, maintaining hygiene and longevity. Now, let's build your mascot. Start by constructing the internal frame, often using lightweight yet sturdy foam for the core structure. Carefully shape the body parts, head, and limbs, following your detailed design. Next, apply the outer fabrics and intricate details, ensuring all seams are smooth and finishes are professional. Don't forget to integrate essential ventilation systems and clear vision ports for the performer's safety and comfort. Finally, we focus on finishing touches and ongoing care. Add any accessories, props, or intricate details that truly bring your mascot's character to life. Conduct a full mobility test to ensure the costume is comfortable and fully functional for the performer. Establish a consistent cleaning and storage routine to significantly prolong your mascot's lifespan. Lastly, train performers on proper wear, movement, and effective interaction techniques.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.